Hey, what's up YouTube? Mike from Wander Coach coming at you again. Thanks for hitting that thumbnail. Thanks for joining me again today out in the mountains for another adventure. Weather's questionable, but just getting in now and got to get set up. We got light rain and drizzle kicking around right now. Believe it or not, this is right in the mountains, but that fog's kind of holding that back, holding us from seeing that and enjoying that. Ooh, it's chilly. Gonna do some, what are we doing today? We're gonna do burgers on the fire in a cast iron pot or a cast iron grill. It'll be a first for me doing that. And yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and kind of get a fire going, get camp set up. Look forward to doing dinner and do the hot tent again tonight. Oh yeah, and I want to thank everybody for all the support. We rolled past the big 100 subscriber mark here this week, so as a little gesture or a thank you, I'm going to do a small giveaway on this video, or at the end of this video, so stick around to the end for the details on that. 100 subscribers, that's a milestone for me anyway, so never thought I'd get there. Thanks for the support, I really appreciate it. But yeah, let me get settled in. It's cool and it's drizzling out here pretty good, so let's get camp set up and then we'll think about getting to some dinner, okay? Check this guy out. Look at that. My first bushcraft ladle. Too bad. I had some blueberries earlier when I first made it. There were some blueberries. There were blueberries involved. Okay, about set up. Oh, probably think about dinner. Get this fire pit prepped a little bit. I gotta start on some wood. We should be good for the night, I think. try to have a fire outside for dinner, and then blast the wood stove tonight for chill out time. It's nice and moody out here though. I don't know how well you can see the mountains. Pretty cool. Here's what we're doing, by the way. We're gonna do Canadian chuck medium ground beef burgers. See that? We'll probably do 2 of those bad boys. And we're gonna try to fancy it up with some hickory smoked classic cut bacon. I've never cooked with cast iron before, so we'll see how it goes. Something new, right? We'll just wait. I guess I'll wait for some coals to build up here. Of course, have another beverage, another cocktail. And just enjoy the peace and quiet for a while. Is it going to be good? So So bacon grease is a real thing, right? That's a real hazard. Like I said earlier, like my first time cooking with the cast iron on a fire, and I'm thinking now I know why when I was a kid growing up I'd hear about grease fires and bacon grease. That actually catches fire when you're in there with the cast iron, right? I've never had that before with a typical residential, you know, new age, real world frying pan. Interesting. So nothing too bad. Just some knuckle hair on. That's gonna be good though. I'm looking forward to it. Great little piece of fire starter kit. Love it. You just throw a spark at it, it just takes off. Okay, I am hungry. Let's get these going. A little bacon, a little onion. I'm gonna do a little, oh, is that dried out jalapenos? That is good for you. And lettuce, some mustard, some barbecue sauce. I couldn't get the tomato cut up. I'm too hungry. Oh, look at that. So we got bacon, cheese, beef burger, some jalapenos, some lettuce, some onion. Let's see what this is saying. Here's my plate. I just haven't sat down since I got here. I need a rest. Let's give it a bite. Mm. That is a lot to handle. Excuse me. A lot to handle. Woo. Good though. That is a real deal. Campfire, coal cooked campfire in the cast burger. First time I've ever done that. That's no joke. Ooh. Burgers were good. Not too shabby. Oh, I think this is about it for me. I think tonight I'm gonna finish my beer and listen to a little more music, and then settle in. It's nice and peaceful right now. Thanks for sticking with me on the journey. I'll touch base in the morning, and then I'll give you the details of the giveaway. Okay? Thanks again, guys. Just laying in bed watching The Office now. Be shutting it down real soon. The other thing in here, I've never seen it get this wet inside as it has tonight. It's soaked right through. Well, that snow, I guess it hasn't stopped. There's a sleet that's going on outside right now. It's been very consistent. So as it hits the tent, I guess it's just sticking and melting. Just watching a couple episodes of The Office before bed. It's about probably about minus 12 Celsius outside right now. And I don't have a thermometer in here. I need to get one, but it's got to be 22 degrees. I'm quite comfortable. So thanks for sticking with me on another micro adventure. Gonna hit the sack here pretty soon, and get a good night's sleep, and then we'll check in with you in the morning, okay? Oh, hey, good morning, YouTube. Good night overall. Slept pretty good. It snowed all night, like a wet, sleet, icy kind of snow. And there's some pretty substantial accumulation outside, let me tell you. I'm going to show you right now. It's going to be a hell of a pack up. Check this out. Look at that. It's been coming down all night. I don't know what. Look at the truck there. That's 6 inches plus for sure. Like, look at along the tent here. Oh, I'm gonna have to shovel up this tent to knock it down. Oh shit. That wasn't in the forecast. But hey, we're cozy in here. So look at the amount of snow in the back of the truck. I mean, come on. Wow. Wow. That's nuts. Okay, so in light of what's happening with the snow accumulation and the fact that I have to dig everything out, I'm gonna cut it here, guys. But what I was saying was, excuse me, for the little giveaway, I got cut off when my memory card filled up on the camera. So subscribe to the channel. It's a fire steel is what it is. It's a mini fire steel. It's just a gesture, you know what I mean, to show my appreciation for hitting that 100+ sub benchmark. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, go over to Instagram at WanderCouch, follow me on Instagram, and then send me a DM with your contact details. And 2 weeks from the day I post this video, we'll do the random selection thing, and I'll get back to you on Instagram to let you know that you've won, and I'll pay to mail it out to you wherever you are. So yeah, again, thanks for all your support, and we'll see you on the next one soon. But for now, I gotta deal with this mess. Thanks for sticking with me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, guys.